speaking, hold on. You see, look at the grid and the poll that we are carrying out as we debate. And people are watching, you know. And we have asked this question, whether these super freebies, which the BJP has promised today, are going to help the party. There is a very slim edge. Look at the numbers. 54% saying that maybe, yes, the BJP might have an edge, but 56% now, 44% saying no. Which means, Anmol, beware, you know. If these are the same people who are going to vote, this is public sentiment. So maybe in the panel I am in a minority, but outside I am not, because people understand numbers now. People are literate in this country and they know that robbing Peter to pay Paul is not sustainable. Anmol, Abhishek.
Let me tell you something. It's not about robbing Peter to pay Paul. At the end of the day, India today is a very prosperous country. We are far more prosperous today than back during Indira Gandhi's time when we had to borrow fruit grains from the United States. I am not blaming Indira Gandhi only for that situation. We were a newly independent country. It was the situation of the time. Today we're a very prosperous country. And today the Indian voter demands from the politician across party lines, आप मेरे लिए क्या करोगे? पहले it was आप देश के लिए क्या करोगे? Today the Indian voter is आप मेरे लिए क्या करोगे? So the politician has to respond. The politician is a player in the game. You want to blame the game, but don't blame the player. He has to play the game according to the rules. Now let me tell you something. Today is the first part of the manifesto. You're aware of this. Yeah. First part of the Sankalp Patra. Yeah. There are 2 more press conferences that will be held by Nadda ji. Arvind Kejriwal has written a letter this morning saying that 50% rebate should be given to students who travel by Delhi Metro. Tomorrow, apparently I've been told, Congress is announcing 100%. But you see, there is one sec, Ramesh ji, there is a credibility problem the Congress has. The Delhi voter does not see the Congress as a viable option to AAP, but he sees the BJP, because BJP will bring double engine. LG and CM will be on the same page. The CM will be a BJP CM. They are saying first cabinet meeting, we will clear the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana. They will clear every promise. Now pregnant women, they promised 21,000. There's already a central scheme, Pradhan Mantri, I think Matriya Vandana Yojana, where pregnant women are given 5,000 and 6,000 rupees. Sir, 1 minute. Credibility hai, paisa hai, will hai, double engine hai, LG and CM on the same page. Today they have beaten Arvind Kejriwal at his own game. They have bested Arvind Kejriwal at his own game.
No, Abhishek. I'm coming to you. Then Abhishek, let me ask him a question. You know, then your position has evolved, Abhishek. Admit that what you used to call Revdi is actually doable. And now your political views have evolved in the direction that maybe this can be done.
If that wins the election, and if it does not do damage to the country and the nation's economy, so be it. Pradhan Mantri, the Prime Minister, is saying, I am taking a personal guarantee. This is Modi ki guarantee versus Kejriwal.
No, but
Kejriwal's guarantees have failed in Punjab. Kejriwal's guarantees have failed in Punjab.
Abhishek, when I was president of the NSUI, RP Singh was my colleague in the Delhi University. We were having a student's bus pass of 12 rupees.
12.5 rupees.
12.5 रुपए का था. और यूनिवर्सिटी स्पेशल बसेस चलती थी, आज नहीं चलती है. सुनना आप, मैं स्कूल में पढ़ता था, बाल भारती, मेरे मम्मी पापा दोनों गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट थे. दैट्स व्हाई दे अफोर्ड टू पुट मी इनटू पब्लिक स्कूल.
राइट.
स्कूलों के अंदर डीटीसी की बसेस होती थी. आज नहीं है. स्कूलों के पब्लिक स्कूल के बच्चे या सरकारी स्कूल के बच्चों को प्राइवेट बसेस में 5-5 हजार 10-10 हजार ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का देना पड़ता है. इनको नॉलेज नहीं है दिल्ली की. इनको नॉलेज नहीं है दिल्ली में, क्योंकि ये दिल्ली में पैदा नहीं हुए. इनको दिल्ली के बारे में पता नहीं है. दिल्ली के अंदर स्कीम्स, पहले वेलफेयर की स्कीम्स 1950 जब देश आजाद हुआ उसके बाद बनती आई है. जो नीडी लोग थे, जो विधवा थी, विडो थी, जो ब्लाइंड थी, फिजिकली हैंडीकैप थी, जो नीडी लोग थे, इन्होंने ये जो सिस्टम बना दिया है, ये नेवर एंडिंग चैप्टर है. ये 2.5 लाख हम कर देंगे, 3 लाख कर देंगे, तो खत्म नहीं होगा. मेरे बेटे के बाद
fantastic point. In fact, no, Ramesh Sabharwal,
टैक्स भी देते हैं.
डेफिनेटली